Hi guys, this is Richie speaking from Ktag chiptuning and express cable project. This is just a short demonstration how to connect this Magnei Marelli 9GF control unit from a Fiat group. And of course, I don't use our colored pin by pin wires. Instead, I'm using our C4 cable for our express box, and this is the fastest and easiest and most convenient way to connect this kind of ECU to any flashing tools, like now, for example, Kess3. I'm quickly selecting the ECU brand Marelli and the group, the 9G. This is a 9GF. This ECU has only one wiring variant, so I'm selecting. Express is testing the power supply and the connection to the ECU. It is okay, and the cable has been configured, and I already have read this ECU, but for this demonstration I'm pressing ID again to show you how easy this process. The read was around 2 minutes. Yes, the ID is coming. Yes, identified correctly. So Express supports not only this Magnei Marelli ECU, but more than 2050 ECUs from Bosch, Denso, Marelli, and other ECU brands are supported with just 4 cables. This is the C4 cable. It supports 24 kind of ECUs equipped with these small connectors, and the C1, 2, and 3 cables are supporting other ECUs with different connection platform. Thanks for watching, and buy your express cable. Bye bye.